Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Cafe, a channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Jack. How are you today?
I'm doing great, thank you. And you? You look very happy today.
I am very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes. It's a very good topic, very important.
Yes, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. And please share our podcast with your friends and family. It helps us a lot.
It really does. Okay, Jack, are you ready?
I am ready. So, what is our topic today?
Today, our topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
Today, our topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
They do, in a new class, at a new job, or when you meet new people.
It's true, and sometimes it's hard to know what to say.
Yes, so today we will talk about it. We will make it easy and fun.
That sounds perfect. So who starts? You or me?
How about you start? Jack, tell me about yourself.
Okay, my turn first. Where do I start?
Let's start with the easy one. What is your name?
Okay, my name is Jack. J-A-C-K.
Nice to meet you, Jack. My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. So, next question. Where are you from?
Oh, good one. I am from Canada.
Canada. Wow. I am from the United States.
The United States. Very cool. Do you live in a big city?
I live in a small town. I like it. It's quiet. What about you, Emma?
I live in a big city. It's very busy, very noisy, but I love it.
That's great. A small town and a big city. Very different.
Yes. And do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house. It's a small house. It has a garden.
A garden? I love gardens. I live in an apartment.
Is it a big apartment?
No, it's a small apartment, but it's very nice. I like it.
Good. Okay, so we have name, where you are from, and where you live. What's next?
How about, how old are you, Jack? If you want to say, of course.
It's okay. I am 28 years old.
28, okay. And you know my question. How old are you, Emma? I am 25 years old.
25, a very good age.
Thank you. I think so too. Okay, now for a big question.
I'm ready.
What do you do, Jack?
I am a teacher.
A teacher, of course. You are a teacher on English Talk Cafe.
Yes, exactly. I am an English teacher. I love my job.
That's wonderful. It's a great job. What about you, Emma? What do you do? I am a student.
A student? What do you study?
I study art. I love to draw and paint.
Wow, art. That is so cool. Do you like your studies?
Yes, I love it. It's very fun and creative.
I can see that. An art student and an English teacher, a perfect team for a podcast.
Love it. Okay, let's see. We have name, place, age, and job. What else can we talk about?
Let's talk about family.
Okay, family is a great topic. Do you have any brothers or sisters, Jack?
Yes, I do. I have one sister. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah, that's a beautiful name. Is she older or younger?
She's younger than me. She's a student like you.
Oh, really? What does she study?
She studies music. She plays the piano.
Wow, a music student and an art student. That's so creative.
Yes, my family is very creative. My mother is a writer.
A writer? That is amazing. And your father?
My father is a doctor.
A doctor? Wow, a very nice family. Tell me more, Jack. That is the perfect piece of advice. A smile is very important too.
Always.
Well, I think our time is almost up for today.
Wow, time goes faster when you're having fun.
It really does. This was a great chat.
It was. So, before we go, we want to ask our amazing listeners for a small favor.
That's right. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our channel, English Talk Cafe, and give this video a big thumbs up. A like really helps people find our lessons.
And please, please share it with anyone who is learning English. We want to help as many people as we can.
And now for our question of the day, we want you to practice.
Yes, go to the comments section below and tell us about yourself. You can write 1 or 2 simple sentences.
For example, my name is, or I am from, or my favorite food is, anything you want.
We would love to read your comments and learn a little bit about you.
Yes, it will be so much fun.
Thank you all for listening today.
Thank you, everyone. It was a pleasure. Stay safe and keep practicing.
We will be back soon with another fun and easy English lesson.
Goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Emma.